My name is Peter Murphy and I'm CEO of One Stop Material Handling. We're here with one of our customers that had an issue with their pushback rack system. They were looking for a solution for wing pallets, and in the current system the drivers had a problem with landing the wing pallets on the current system. So they brought in the team from One Stop to come up with a solution. So the solution we came up here was to design a cart that had a bigger landing space. So we have 2 3-inch channels front to back with a space in the center, giving them a 7-inch landing space on the left and on the right hand side, as well as a heavy duty horizontal on the center. This is a 2-deep system, so when they load that up and push it back, you're left with the front cart, and you can see we did the same thing in the front cart, again giving them a good landing area. We did our tests with the drivers when we finished the installation. This is a union location, so we had to be very sensitive to the design we came up with that was going to work for us. During the tests, the drivers were deliriously happy with this new design. They even had their union person in charge here watching the tests, and he gave us the thumbs up. So everybody was very, very happy with this system. So we're very happy to say that our customer likes our design, likes our engineering, and we believe this is going to be a great product for them for the future. Thank you very much.